this song by Mommy Longlegs called Weird Girl. We're going to learn it on guitar. It's not an easy song to play. It's maybe easy to understand, but because of the speed, and then you have to do it for 2.5, 3 minutes, it's not easy to play. That's the main riff. So that is, they're playing. So you can play it like that if you want to, but I just don't. I find it more difficult to slide those longer distances, and then it goes. Right, so I like to play the D here at the 5th fret, and we go to a B, and we go to a B flat. And we go to F sharp, G, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. We're just kind of playing like strings, E, A, D, maybe a little G. And my sound is like what I would call crunchy. You know, it's distorted a little bit distorted, but it's not full on heavy metal distortion. Just a little distorted. That and I think they do it in the beginning. They go. Yeah, that's what I think they do. They kind of go between D at the beginning of the song, between D and B, and D and B flat, and D and A, D and G, and that's kind of like the intro. And then they go to the main riff, which is... So, let's talk about the rhythm. The rhythm is straight 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... But it's got a little emphasis on the 1, 2, 3, and 4. The offbeat goes a little faster. See that, like we're playing on the offbeat, it doesn't last a full note. You know, it's kind of abruptly. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 get more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's the rhythm. You gotta mute all, any guitar song like this, you gotta mute with both hands. It means touching the strings so you don't get unwanted ringing out. About 2.5 minutes into the song, they do this little breakdown. Still D. But then they go to the 9th fret and play, what is this? F sharp. And then they play G. So it's just like playing these chords down here, but they play them up here and it gives it a different... And then they go right back into the other one. They also do a little riff. I find it easier to play here at the 5th fret. So you go 2 on the D, hammer onto the E at the 7th fret, and then slide up to the F sharp at the 9th. Then it all on the A string. And then on the way back down, you can slide with your index finger on the E string 7 to 6. Yeah, I think that's it for that song. Yeah, that's all the parts. All right, have fun playing it. Thanks.